Hi everyone! Want to share a post only with your close friends on Instagram? Here's a quick and easy guide just to do that. So let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Instagram and tap Update if available. If it says open, it means that your app is already up to date. Then open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Swipe right and select Post. Choose a photo or a video from your gallery. Then tap Next. Then you can edit your post if needed. Then you can write a caption, can tag a people or add location if you want. Tap on Audience below the post preview. By default, it is set to everyone. Tap on the close friends instead. Then tap done to confirm. Finally, tap share and your post will only be visible to your close friends list. And that's it. You can now share special moments privately. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.